Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I have been testing the Omnilux contour mask for the past 60 days. In this video, I will discuss my experience and my review of this mask, answering the question to why you probably click on this video should you get one. This mask is expensive, but is it truly worth it? I did so many research on the subject prior to getting this mask. Keep in mind that this is really my experience as the average consumer. I bought this with my own money. It is not sponsored at all. I am not a specialist, and I highly suggest that you do your own research prior to getting one, and maybe even discuss this with your healthcare provider to make sure that this is something that would be good for you. That being said, why would you need a red light mask for red light therapy? Red light claims to have anti-aging benefits, reduce skin redness, helps with hyperpigmentation and dark spot. It also promotes collagen, which we lose as we age, and one of the most important things is that it is a non-invasive and pain-free treatment. Now that you have decided that this might be for you, what should you look for in a red light mask? To be efficient, red light needs to be between 630 to 660 nanometer, and infrared light should be around 830 to 850 nanometers. The mask also should have a lot of LED light because you want it to have a good coverage on your face. The more LED light that you have, the more efficient it's going to be. Each treatment should be between 10 to 20 minutes, and obviously there has to be a lot of positive review. I highly suggest that you read all the review that you can get your hands on. Now, regarding the Omnilux mask. Why did I choose this mask? First of all, from all of the research that I did, this mask always came out as one of the best on the market. It combined red light and infrared light with the specification that I mentioned prior, so it did fit into what I should be looking for in a mask to be effective. It has 132 LED light for great coverage. One thing that I thought I would love from this mask is that it is flexible, and I thought that would be really more comfortable than having something that would be hard on my face. This mask is also FDA cleared, and from all of the review that I've seen that were not sponsored, that seemed to be genuine, people really raved about this mask. So I decided to get this with my own money. Now, I have never used anything that was red light therapy prior to getting this mask. One thing that I really wanted to work with that type of treatment was my hyperpigmentation, and I wanted my skin to be brighter, younger looking, and healthier looking. The first thing that I realized when I got the mask is that, like I said, I thought that since it was flexible, I would really appreciate that, but I always end up trying to make it fit properly on my face and wonder if it is put on properly. I also was really surprised at how bright the red light was the first time that I used it. I don't know how people can go about their lives wearing this and doing things in their house, because I cannot. I just need to put this on and do something where my eyes are closed. Disclaimer, for this to work, you really have to be consistent with it. So what I thought was that I would just link it to an habit that I already have, which is meditation every morning. I usually meditate around 10 minutes every morning. So every morning while I meditate, I put the mask on, and that way I don't move, so it stays in place. I am sure that I stay consistent to see results after 60 days. Now, other than the fit, it is so simple to use. You only press the button and it starts for 10 minutes. I wouldn't say it's not comfortable, but like I said, I always wonder if I've put it on properly. I also wonder if I would have loved maybe something that would have been more structured on my face so that like I couldn't move it around. I don't know. I can definitely manage 10 minutes. Now, probably the most important part of this video, the results. Like I said, I've used this every day for 60 days. I can definitely tell that my skin is a little bit less red, and I personally believe it is a little bit more luminous. However, it did strictly nothing in my own eyes for my hyperpigmentation and dark spot. And like I said, I have been super consistent with this. This is something that you need to be consistent if you want to see results, and that is exactly what I did. So these are really the results that I had for using this for 60 days. Now, the question of if you should get one or not, I think that if you manage your expectation, and you use it consistently with also using good skincare such as sunscreen and also a good skincare routine, you might enjoy this product. Linking it to an habit was definitely something that was winning situation for me to make sure that I use this consistently. So I would highly suggest that you find something that you do every single day to make sure that you use your mask every single day. You will definitely see results right away, and even the results that you're going to see are not that drastic. It is not as magical as everybody claim it to be. The results were not as drastic as I hoped they would be, but also I know that my skin doesn't have really any skin issues. I don't have acne, I don't have anything else than really my hyperpigmentation that is bothering me. So I started with something that was kind of not bad, so now it's a little bit better. If you're contemplating on getting one, I would highly suggest that you wait because they have promotion throughout the year. I would not pay full price for this just because of the fact that they have promotion throughout the year. This is it, you guys. This is my review for the Omnilux contour mask. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel and myself as a content creator. If you have any question, I would be more than happy to try to help and answer them, so leave it in the comment down below. Also, if you're new, welcome. I'm so excited that you are here. I would love for you guys to follow me along into my YouTube journey by subscribing to my channel so you don't miss anything that I post. I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing weekend. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.